Imagine a massive, bustling corporate office. Suddenly, every phone line goes dead. The email server crashes. Everything freezes. Within seconds, it's complete chaos. Your body works exactly the same way. Your internal organs are like different corporate departments, and to keep you alive, they have to coordinate their tasks every single second. You probably know about the brain's wired broadband network, your nervous system, but right alongside it, your body runs a massive, invisible Wi-Fi network. This is the endocrine system. Instead of digital emails, it sends chemical messages called hormones. Without these chemical emails, your bodily departments would be totally lost. They wouldn't know when to grow, when to process the food, or when to finally sleep. Most regular glands in your body, like the ones that make sweat or saliva, use physical tubes, called ducts, to pipe their liquids exactly where they need to go. Endocrine glands work differently. Because they don't have those physical pipes, they're known as ductless glands. They simply drop their chemical messages directly into the flow of your blood. That river is your bloodstream. Because they lack physical tubes, endocrine glands dump their hormone emails straight into the rushing blood to travel all across the body. These hormones drift through the blood until they bump into a specific target cell. When the hormone docks with the cell's receptor, it's like an email finally hitting the correct inbox and triggering a specific command. Your circulatory system is actually a high-speed delivery highway, carrying thousands of these chemical commands every single second. This medical illustration maps out the locations of the glands that produce our hormones. To start, we have to look up here at the brain, the body's executive floor, where we can locate tiny, distinct structures right in the center of the head. The absolute top of the chain is the commander-in-chief, a region called the hypothalamus. It monitors everything happening in your body and decides what actions need to be taken. But the CEO doesn't talk to the organs directly. When a decision is made, the hypothalamus hands its orders down to the general manager, the pituitary gland. The pituitary is remarkably small, no bigger than a green pea. Yet because it controls the activity of almost every other gland, it's known as the master gland. The pituitary takes the CEO's broad instructions and translates them into specific hormone emails. It then blasts those emails out to wake up the rest of the body's glands. Together, the hypothalamus and the pituitary form a strict chain of command. No major bodily function activates without top-level executive approval from these two. Back on the executive floor, there's another tiny structure operating quietly in the background. Think of it as the company's night watchman. This is the pineal gland. It is often called our biological clock, or sometimes the third eye. Its entire job is to monitor the light levels around you to manage your 24-hour cycle, which we call the circadian rhythm. The moment it gets dark, the pineal gland sends out a mass chemical email called melatonin. This message travels everywhere, commanding your entire body to wind down and go to sleep. A good night's rest is a physical reaction. You fall asleep because the night watchman successfully delivered that melatonin message to your cells. Following this diagram down the chain of command, we move to the neck. Here, right on the windpipe, is a crucial middle manager. This is the thyroid gland. It is shaped like a butterfly, and it acts as the factory manager in charge of your metabolism. Metabolism is essentially the idling speed of your body's engine. The thyroid controls this speed limit by releasing two specific hormone emails, known as T3 and T4. When this manager panics, sending too many emails, hyperthyroidism, your engine races. You burn energy too fast, causing weight loss and a racing heart. But if they slack off, sending too few messages, hypothyroidism, the engine crawls. You gain weight, feeling cold and lethargic. Unexplained weight changes or sudden exhaustion are often just the result of this middle manager sending the wrong number of emails to the factory floor. Let's zoom out and look at the entire corporate structure we've explored: the CEO brain, the master gland manager, and local supervisors like the thyroid. The ultimate biological goal of this massive communication network is to maintain perfect internal harmony and balance, no matter what is happening outside your body. Every time you feel a sudden burst of energy, digest a heavy meal perfectly, or fall fast asleep at the end of a long day, you are witnessing this system working flawlessly. We are walking, breathing corporations, kept alive by silent, perfectly timed emails. Hit subscribe to join us next time, where we'll explore other fascinating departments, like the pancreas and the adrenal glands.